Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to view the trace viewers. What is the trace viewers? Even in the documentation also we can see the trace viewers. Okay. Trace viewer is basically a viewing for entire dev tools. Okay, even action, what type of action you are performing, one you can able to do, and another thing, what on the screenshot you have taken those things. And also you can able to snapshots, what are the snapshot like before, after, and action, what are the actions you are going to do, right? That snapshot you can able to see. And fourth, source code of your code. Okay, and calls, what are the calls it is there, and also logs, and also errors, if there is any error in your code, that also you can able to see. And console messages. Okay. And also network, what is a network means, you can able to inspect here, and there is a network calls are there, right? This network, there is after refreshing you will get for some network actions, that network actions also it will read. And metadata of your code, and any attachments are presented, those attachments related stuff also we can able to see. And enter recording and trace locally, it we can able to see, and by default it will show like this. Okay. And even it is having for some five options. One is on first retry and all retries, and now on retry on failure. Okay. If you specify on, automatically to come and sit. Okay. To opening your trace, we need to use this command npx playwright show trace, and we need to specify that particular trace folder, and where it will come and sit into our remote. Okay. Basically in a folder location there is a result folder is there, right? Inside the result, automatically trace.zip folder like this it will store. Okay. We'll see how it come and sit into that particular location. Okay. Now I'm going to run for my screenshots one. Okay. And now after running, how it will be displayed. And then it is closed, right? Now if you take this particular path, and this is our npx playwright space show hyphen trace, and you have to specify the path. It will come over here. We need to specify on here. If it is on first retry, it will not display, we need to take as a on. If you make the on, automatically it will record and it will provide. My record is gone because of it is overlapped. Okay. Now again we are going to take issue. Okay. Now we are in the location. Okay. You can see after expanding, then trace is coming, right? Now right click on that particular file and copy the relative path. Okay. Go to here and take the path like npx playwright show trace, and then specify your path. Okay. I have already specified. Then I'm going to take directly that particular trace itself. Okay. Once I hit, it will open for one window. Same like browser. This is my actions. Okay. Action browsers, like what all the things I'm doing, it these all the things. And you can see what are the actions and metadata. Here is the metadata. Okay. What is the engine of this, it is a platform of is agents, and duration of this time, and what is the date of time, and width, height, is mobile or not. If it is not mobile, then it will is an off. If it is mobile, it will come as an on. Okay. Sorry, something I clicked and it was gone. Okay. And even you can locators, you can see here is the locators. And if it comes to here locator, you can able to find which is a inspecting locator, and you can find that locators. Okay. Even that also we can do it. Okay. And callback functions and the logs and the errors and console Okay, and network, these are registration, HTML, CSV, and those things it is displayed. And source code, what source code we specified, you can take up and you can see source code. And snapshot also you can take. Attachment, what all attachments are presented, those all the attachments you can able to see. You can able to download as well. Okay, like this we can able to check all the things. Okay, and even you can see, you can click the seconds time and mouse over. See here in this particular location, my name got entered. Okay, up to that it is standard, but it is executed after here itself. Okay, how much time it is taken, that much you can able to mouse over in that particular video where exactly your name got entered, and step by step you can able to see. This is callback functions. Okay, everything you can able to mouse over in the specific location, and you can able to see that whether it is entered expected value or not, everything you can able to check. Okay. This is all about for tracing the views. Okay, I hope it this information helps you, and even you can able to see the similar format of code in JavaScript as well. That comes to here, and you can specify for on itself. On. If you specify on and if you run and if you execute the same command, and automatically it will show you this particular tracing view. I think I closed it. Yeah, I closed that one. Which is the one we've opened, right? That entire things we can able to see the tracing views. Okay, same execution, even you can use for different file and see the execution, that also you can do. Okay, I hope it this information helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.